Ki khubor ka bate se TV. Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pyllait ka khuslai lahamiet neshai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Umintri ka Sarkar Jilla Obakmi Ikatanat Pulebuthi Rakam Sangma Hakar Pyllait Rik Ujulio Arajar Arpusan Lapin Shai Bagajing Pyllait Yaka Umbrella Scholarship Nagabintaki Khynnah Puli Riulom Lasio Haka Installment Knangban Pintikna Yakajing Sa Marbiang Shaburo Kinoyo Jimentoy Ka Ministry Ka Pyllait Yaka Installment Baningkong Badik Pisa Lapharu Shiki Bank Account Jongi Khynnah Hakajing Kran Bakilar Patai Kubor Mindri Lapin Shai Ba Minshwa Ka Ministry Ka Pyllait Baro Ka Pisa Shiki Arpo Ajar Ngun Ki Khynnah Skul Kat Ba Yagi Basa Sa Sapu Ajar Kin Haban Up Yakajing Pyllait Pisa Hagasin Ka Baar Henry Minta Ka Kinti Ka Ministry Ka Raiban Pyllait Yaka Pisa Ka Bansa Maria Ringkat Shaburo Kinongyo Jimentoy Kat Kum Kajing Pyllait Yaka Pisa
The ministry released in an installment. Earlier there are 66,000 students beneficiary for the umbrella scholarship. When the ministry released first installment, we used to give full amount to, suppose there is a total 66,000, we used to give maybe first installment for whole amount to the 20,000. The rest 40,000 have to wait. It may delay again. So this time the ministry has, as per the fund availability, we are giving in a installment basis to all the beneficiary equally. Then as and when the ministry will release, we will continue under the next two or three installment, and they will receive the same amount as they receiving in the past. Number one. Number two, somebody has ever talking about a CM scholarship. This process is yet to initiate officially. We will give a formal notification for the registration for the CM scholarship. As of now, the process is yet to start. So we will give a formal notification for the registration. Of course, the same things only, but we are yet to initiate. But yeah, that's it.
So when is it likely to start?
Maybe very soon, and we will start the process at the earliest from now, and they will receive the same amount from the umbrella estate, that is from the tribal ministry, government of India, and in addition to that, another 6,000 per beneficiary from the state, from the CM sponsor, scholarship for all the students across the state. Yeah. Only just few days back, two, three days back, we have initiated. So we will be giving to all of them, all of those who don't have any issue with the bank and the account issue. Suppose I have to reiterate again. Earlier, whenever we received the installments released from the ministry, we used to give full amount to certain beneficiary. Suppose if it is 60,000, we used to give whatever we received from the ministry, we used to give full amount to the first 20,000. The rest 40,000 have to wait for another installment. But this time, whatever the amount is available, we are just giving equally for all as per the fund availability from the ministry in the state government. So therefore, whenever we will receive the other instruction from the ministry, we will credit again, and we will continue. I think in next 2-3 installment, we will complete the process. I don't know the exact amount of the ministry amount is released, but whatever amount released from the ministry, we are crediting to the beneficiary account. But for another some 6,000, 7,000 beneficiary, they have some issues with the bank account, other things. So otherwise, the rest is okay.
Yeah. That's why the confusion.
Yeah, there was a confusion. So otherwise, no. Earlier they used to receive 20,000, 30,000, 15,000, right, once. But this time they will receive this same amount, but in maybe 3 times, or 2 times, or 4 times like this. So there's a difference. But they will receive the same amount. In addition to that, they will receive another 6,000 from the CM sponsors. Scholarship from the state government.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.